Hello, dear students. Hope you are doing well. So, proceeding further, today I will discuss the performance related career in physical education. As a large number of sports person participated in various games and sports throughout the world. They participated at various levels such as inter-school, college level competitions, district level competitions, state level competitions, national level competition, international level competitions, Olympic games, etc. But only highly skilled performers reach to that level, reach to that top level. Sportspersons who are most successful in competition will make as a career, playing as a career. The job opportunities are greater than in the past, but now the players can play professional sports in very limited in western countries, where in comparison to India are very limited owing to less number of professional sports. Scholarship for good sportsmen are available in India at various levels. The careers of those who pursue sports career are for short duration. In India, good sports careers is available in cricket, lawn tennis and marathon race. Many jobs are also available for skilled sports persons in government and private sectors, such as in defense services, banks, companies, or industrial corporations, railways, etc. In Western countries, many sports persons in such sports as baseball, basketball, football, hockey, athletics, golf, boxing, tennis, etc., earn more in a decade of employment than an average worker during a lifetime vacation. The professional players related to New York Yankees get highest salary in the world. Martina Navratilova is currently one of the world's highest paid sportsperson through commercial advertisements. Billie Jean King became the first woman tennis player in 1971 to win $1 lakh in a year. There are so many examples in India also, especially in cricket. The sportsperson who want to pursue professional careers in sports may fail to get professional ranks or have to leave the professional arena after a few years. So this is under performance related career. This is first career you can take as a player, where you can play for some organization, for some as you know, when our Indians are going to participate in Olympics or Commonwealth or Asian Games, and they get medals, so they got awards, and sometimes their state where they belongs to, they are offering them a job in railways, in police, and all. So these then they are playing for their company, their government organization, either government or public. So here a scope of playing or professional opting as a player is much. Like you can pursue your career in defense services, banks, companies, sport, industrial corporations, railways, ONGC. um, Many companies are there um, who are taking their players and they are playing professionally for them. In India, some professional careers like as a player are in cricket, tennis, and marathon race and all. Especially in cricket, they are players are playing professionally, and they highly paid, like IPL matches. The auctions are there for opting a player in their team, and whosoever is like auction, putting a high uh, last high payment, or quoting a high rate, that a particular player will come in that team, and now they will play in IPL matches with their team. Nowadays, as I have already told you, many players are highly paid, like Martina, then a New York player, Yankees, the highest salary in the world. Bill Jean is a tennis player who won medal in 1971 and got $1 lakh. So you cannot say that you are playing, so you cannot get take you cannot pursue in that player playing career. It is many options as a player. You can you pursue your career in this field also. Next is career as a official. The smooth conduct of a sports tournament or competition depends on good officials. As it has already been discussed above that the performance of players remains for short duration. Generally, it is a career of approximately 10 years. After that, sportsperson may pursue the career as official because they know the ins and out of the game. Such type of jobs opportunities are available as part-time officials or full-time officials. There are various officials in a tournament, such as referee, umpire, timekeeper, recorder, scorer, etc. Their requirement depend on the number of tournament held every year. It is also a good career related to sports and games. Even college students earn some income by officiating in inter-college sports competition. Many former sportsperson turned to officiating as a full-time professional career after sports career. In this in this career, an individual must have the participation experience and qualification to meet the standard set by the particular sports organization. In officiating, not only the knowledge of the rules is important, but must possess good officiating mechanics also. A good official must be able to work under pressure. Officiating can be challenging career, but in India it is still budding stage as less number of competitions are held in comparison to western countries. Now we will discuss about the officiating or career as a official. As I have already explained you that the career as a player is of very short duration. It's only up to 10 years. A player can play up to 10 years professionally, because after some time the stamina, after like slowly and gradually the age will increase, the so the stamina, the potential, the endurance is decreasing day by day. And if you are playing as a player, so the expectations of the companies, of the country is more with you. And if you compare yourself with youngsters, so your performance is less according to the youngsters. So your stamina, your performance as compared to young player is less, or it is not up to the mark. So the playing career as a player, the player will play professionally for only for 10 years, up to 10 years, maximum 10 years. After that, they will pursue their career in officiating. Officiating is also very important in every game, because where there is a game, officials like recorders, umpires, referees, timekeeper, assistant timekeeper, scorer, these all are required. When a person who is professionally a player can easily, or can have the ins and out, the know he can easily know the ins and out of the game. So a professional player can become a good official, because he or she playing for years in particular games and sports. So a good player, or a player from of particular game and sports, will become a good official. um, After pursuing a career as a official, they can go for full time or part time. There are many job opportunities for them as a full time official or part time official. There are many officials in tournament, and there are many officials who are pursue their career in officiating as a full time official. And even college students earn some income through doing officiating in inter college tournaments and all. But they are also a college students, but they are also a professional player. Not professional, but they have a proper knowledge of particular game. Many former sports person now turn into officials, full time official. Um, in this career, an individual must have to participate and share the experience and qualification to meet the standard of the particular sports organization. In officiating, not only a knowledge of and rules and importance, but one must possess the good officiating mechanics also. And they keep themselves fit, because they have to run through the players, like from one corner to one corner, like in football or hockey. A big field is there, so official can also run with with the players for the proper officiating. So he should be physically fit. A good official must able to work under pressure, because his or her decision is the last decision. And when the particular match or competition is broadcasting, so it the whole world or whole country will see that particular officiating or that particular match. So if you are going for some false officiating or unbiased officiating, so the career will be in challenge. So A pressure is there on officials. Officiating can be challenging career, but in India, still in budding stage as less number of competitors. In India, there are still we are in a progress because there are very less number of matches and competition will be organizing. So where the matches are not organized, so how come we need an official? So, but still, in Western countries there are ample opportunities, and India now there is slowly and gradually it is increasing day by day. So um, this is all about professional related career. In this, um, you can play as a professional or as a player or as a official. Now we will talk about car- careers in communication media. So in communication media we will discuss about sports journalism, book writing, sports photography, book publishing, sports broadcasting, marketing, sports industries, etc. So first we will discuss about sports journalism. Physical educators who have a talent for writing may opt a career as a sports journalist. The sports journalist may get opportunities to work with newspapers and in sports magazines because the space for coverage of sports news as well as the number of newspapers and sports magazines is increasing rapidly. Sports journalists may write live event and feature article about sports person or on various topics about sports. The covering of the sports event and reporting are the most vital part of this career. Stories based on research, compiling statistics, and interviewing of players and all functions of the journalist. These all are the duties of journalist. A sound background of physical education will help to a sports journalist. He or she can understand the demand and nature of the people of a sports journalist with the knowledge of sports psychology, maybe between explain to the public why some sports person failed to perform under pressure whereas other sports person give better performance. A sports journalist with the knowledge of exercise physiology may explain better what happens physiologically to athlete when they make effort to finish marathon race or any race in swimming. No doubt, career opportunities in sports journalism are ample, but this field requires keen interest, taste, and talent in writing. So, in sports journalist, the physical educators who have a talent in writing, they have interest in writing, or they have a keen interest, or they have a talent in writing, they can opt this career as a this sport journalism as a career. In sports journalism, a person get opportunities to work with newspapers, magazines, or news channels. Many, I will give you the example of Sameep Rajguru. Sameep Rajguru is a graduate in physical education, and now he is an editor in Aaj Tak, and he is broadcasting, he is taking sports news in Aaj Tak channel. So this is example, because Sameep Rajguru is from sports background, and a professional can easily handle the situation, easily know the ins and out of a player, and he or she can easily pursue this sports journalism as a career. Sports journalism may write for the magazines, newspapers, because you must have seen in the newspaper there are specially column for sports, and in your schools also you can, uh, when your morning assembly is there, you can the whole news pattern is divided into some parts: general news, then political news, then sports news, this kind of. So there is a special corner for sports, and that corner will be handled by a educator, because he knows um, better than others, because in their physical education career he studied about the sports psychology, so he can better understand about the situation, the psychological situation, and what pressure the particular player is having, or the or others are not having. And also he can study physiology, sports physiology, so he can understand about the athlete when they make effort to finish, if he is not able to make efforts, or why he is not able to make effort, and why his run or his move is not perfect. So he should better able to explain about the player, the athlete, or the game or event, because he is involving directly or indirectly. So a good physical educator who has an interest in writing, so he can pursue sports journalism as a career. Now this is all about sports journalism. Now book writing. Next career is book writing. Career opportunities are widely available in book writing in the field of physical education and sports, especially in India. As a matter of fact, there is shortage of books on physical education, and it's ailed subject in India. Some physical educators who have deep knowledge of various subdisciplines of physical education, such as sports biomechanics, sports sociology, sports medicine, exercise physiology, research methods, sports psychology, sports physiology, sports philosophy, sports pedagogy, and sports management of various sports may write textbooks, considering this as a part time career. This field also required interest, concentration, and writing talent. So, in this field also, a player, a physical educator who has an interest in writing and concentration, they can opt book writing as a career, because in India we have a less number of books related to physical education, and we need many books in many fields, as I've already giving you many names like biomechanics, sports sociology, sports medicines, exercise physiology, research, pedagogy, psychology. So they needs books, and those who are having interest in writing, and so they can opt this career as a part time, and they will write uh, for these topics according to their interest. So this career is also a good career. Now next is sports photography. Sports photography is another career which can be pursued by physical educators, but this career is applicable only to those physical educators who have a keen interest in photography and a strong desire to communicate to public the true meaning of sports photography through photographs. A talent in photography is essential for opting such career. These are ample opportunities for sports photographers with newspapers and in sports magazines, such as Sports Week, Sports World, Khel Khiladi, etc. These are the sports magazines. The knowledge of biomechanics can help the sports photographer in getting the best angle for the photograph. The knowledge of sports sociology can be helpful in sports photography in showing the significance of sports in our society. Courses in photography and the practical experience of taking sports photographs are also essential to be good sports photographer. So who is having a good interest in photography and they are interested in photography, so they can opt for sports photography as a career. And there are many sports magazines in India like Sports Week, Sports World, Khel Khiladi. So these are the magazines where we need photographs or of players. So many print media is also needs photographs, and who physical educator who is a good knowledge in of biomechanics, so they know the best angle from where the good uh, good move of a player can come. So it will help to take a good photo of a player. So this is all about sports photography. Now, book publishing. Publisher of books on sports and textbooks of physical education, its subdisciplines and allied subject such as health education and recreation need the people who are knowledgeable about the field of physical education. Editorials workers are needed who are familiar with the demand of publication in areas related to physical education. And sports, this type of jobs require a knowledge of physical education. Writing an editorial involves traveling throughout the country to sell books. Physical education and comparative value of books are available. The field of physical education and sports have available a good market of books and publishers. In the same way, job opportunities are also available in publishing of sports magazines. Now we will talk about sports broadcasting. Sports broadcasting has become a popular career. Career opportunities may be found with radio and television stations, including cable television at local, regional, and national levels. Sports broadcasting requires not only the knowledge of the game but also the ability to communicate clearly. Those interested in the field need to be knowledgeable about the skills, tactics, and rules of the game, including the technique of officiating. Studying physical education may provide the reporter with an understanding of the way in which sports person train for competition. and the physiological effects of performance. The reporter must be able to relate this information to the public in simple terms. The knowledge of the sports enables him and her to report the movement to movement action. The practical experience can contribute a lot to one's success in getting an entry level position in this career. For the purpose of getting experience, one should try to announce the sports event at college level in the beginning of this career. Salaries are also good in this career, but it depends on the level of station. So, this is all about sports broadcasting. Now, sports marketing. Public increasing interest in sports and games, health, fitness, and physical activities has stimulated the sales of goods. So, job opportunities in marketing and selling sports equipment have increased. Private companies need person with an understanding of physical activities. Person are needed who are familiar with the sports equipment need to changing demands. In fact, jobs are available as salesperson and as manufacturer's representative. Career in marketing and selling of sports equipment are challenging one. Salaries of marketing manager, sales representative and salesperson depend upon the sale of the product. Course in business management and accounting are helpful for marketing in manager and salesperson. If the interest in physical activities, sports and games and fitness continue to grow. So this is all about marketing. Next is sports industries. Career are also available in sports industries. A person who want a career in sports industries have the knowledge of sports education and sports. One may establish a sports industries as small scale. It may be related to only t-shirt and tracksuits. It may be related to only sports footwear. The knowledge of research and designing is also vital for such job because new type of sports equipment and new types of tracksuits or swimsuits which are beneficial for increasing the performance of sports person are always in demand. For example, yesteryear's loose shorts were used for by sprinters, but nowadays prefer skin tight shorts because these shorts have less air resistance and keep the sprinters active and agile. So this is all about sports industries. Now, conclusion. Many careers options have been discussed in this chapter, but the careers in the field of physical education which are be created as a matter of fact, career opportunities in the field of physical education are limited only by one's imagination. If we define physical education only as the teaching of sports, dance and exercise in public schools, it can limit job opportunities. On the other hand, if we define physical education as the art and science of human movement, it can open a number of careers before us. Various careers can be created in the field of physical education, such as sports biomechanics, sports medicine, sports nutrition, sports sociology, sports psychology, sports history, motor learning, etc. So, this is all about the career in communication skill, and we have completed our first chapter, and that's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.